Hey guys, welcome. Christmas Eve. Christmas Eve. Yeah guys, so we're here at home just taking some Christmas photos. We haven't taken any this year as yet, so come in bitch, come on like thing man.
Hi guys, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year.
Malika, come and say Merry Christmas. Come on Malika.
Hey guys.
Yeah guys, so it's Christmas Eve, like at least for us now. You guys probably seen this on Christmas Day. As I said guys, we're just home and we just wanted to just do a quick video with you guys. Just to touch base as usual, to find out how's everybody doing and what are you doing on this Christmas Eve, right? So Christmas for us is a time of reflection, a time of acknowledgement, just giving thanks. Kids, boy, the material in the place now, just giving thanks and reflecting on all of the blessings that has been, showing on our way, coming down in our direction over the past year. It's usually a time to just reflect and just give thanks and just be grateful for family, for friends, for just the multitude of good things that's been happening. As you guys know, we recently got our permanent residence confirmation, and that is the best Christmas gift, the best New Year's gift, the best gift that we could have ever asked for. We're just very, very happy and grateful and humble that we are able to share this with our community. As you guys know that it's been a process. Again, we'll do a video where we detail every single thing from start to finish.
It's coming guys, it's coming.
Definitely. It's been a process, as you guys know. Again, we are not the perfect immigration story, as we always say. A lot of persons have things figured out. We never really have things figured out. We never have no money, and it's just constant hard work and sacrifice get us to where we are at right now. So we are just happy, we're just humble, we're just grateful. Not looking beautiful.
Thank you guys. I know you guys gonna say, oh, I put my face together. Yeah, try a little thing, maybe a little too bright, but yeah. I can do my little thing now and then.
Chica bonita when she ready,
2 times out here. 2 times per year.
Christmas on birthday.
Christmas and birthday. 2 times per year. I'm just about 2 kids to think about.
So from the Andersons guys, we just want to say a huge Merry Christmas to each and every person who's celebrating Christmas, who's watching this video. We hope that you guys have a great day with family, with friends, that you guys have a lot to be grateful and thankful for. Making it to another Christmas, guys, is nothing to be understated or taken for granted. Many didn't make it this far, so we just want to send condolences to everybody who's suffering some form of hurt through this period of time. Myself, a very good friend of mine died last year. He was buried in December last year, and his birthday is actually the 25th of December. Coleridge, rest in peace, brother. So tomorrow he would have been 31 years old. So a lot of persons are definitely going through some form of hurt, some form of grief throughout this period of time. But the light that's shining on my glasses, guys, all and I'm gonna tell me. Yeah. So yeah, condolences to everybody who's going through some form of hurt right now. Know that there's a better day coming, but we are here, we are living to fight another day. Just keep at it, you understand? And to all the persons who have gotten some disappointment on their Canadian journey, Malia. Yo, them not run for tear down the place. Yeah, to all the persons who have gotten some disappointment this year on their Canadian journey, probably have gotten some refusals. We just want to send some encouragement in your direction and say just keep going at it. Keep trying, guys. And you know what? Sometimes it's the 3rd time's the charm. Sometimes it's the 4th time's the charm. Sometimes it's the 2nd time's the charm, right? Everybody's journey is different, guys. Just keep at it. 2023 is right around the corner. What we watch over there? Watch a video over there. So this year was lesson learned. Next year is what? Our turn. You understand? Just believe that. Just embrace that. I know that next year is gonna be better than this year. Alright guys? But you have to be confident and positive that it's gonna work out in your favor, because otherwise it's not gonna work out. Now faith and determination will open up doors for you that you didn't even know existed. Right, guys? So keep having faith. The good book said faith as a mustard seed can move mountains. And best believe, definitely you can move mountains with just a little bit of faith. I remember when we used to just sit down and just talk about. We remember when we used to just sit down and just reflect and hope and wish for things, right? And then we started working towards it with faith, and then we are seeing doors, abundant doors opening for us. Guys, you have no idea the amount of blessings that is in our direction. Yeah, it's just overwhelming if we get into it. But anyways, big up on yourself. Thank everybody for the love, for the support over the past year. It's coming to an end. Over the year, thank you guys so much for everybody who have subscribed to DiAndersons. Thank you to each and every person who keep commenting on all of our videos. Thank you to the person who keep liking our videos, and even the persons who dislike our videos. Thank you guys so much for the interaction. Thank you guys so much for the love. Thank you guys so much for the support. Alright guys, now in 2023 guys, we're gonna try and do more content that is original DiAndersons that we've been doing. But of course, we're gonna have to show some form of elevation. Yeah, some form of progression in our content. So definitely we don't know what that look like yet, but it's definitely coming. All right guys, now we're just here at home taking some pictures. Of course, getting Malika still is a challenge, and Malia done ram to tear down the place, but we'll keep at it guys. We'll keep at it. Again, for us, Christmas is all about family and just good time and friends and celebration and stuff like that. Let us know what Christmas is for you guys. Let us know what it is for if you celebrate it or not. Everybody's different. All right guys, if you're watching this video and you speak French, como ça va? Have a great Merry Christmas. If you speak Spanish, how you say that? Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. That's, if you are Arabic, Assalamu alaikum.
Merry Christmas to everyone, because he's gonna continue. Come on, cut it now.
What do you mean cut it now?
Cut it now.
So
Merry Christmas to everybody.
So you want to take a picture?
Yes,
Yeah?
girls.
Take some selfie guys.